Do you want to know how to change or remove the background of an image in your Android device? Well, this tutorial is for you. Hey everyone, this is Nikhil Kundu from Hawk Dive. Today we're gonna learn this very important editing trick right from your Android device. Alright, to get started, first of all you need an Android device. Now to get started, we need to download an app called Background Changer from the Play Store itself. Let's do that. Now downloading the app itself is pretty simple. You just have to go to Play Store and search Photo Background Change Editor by Viro AI. That's the one I'm using currently. Now that you have installed the app, open the app and you will be greeted with two options, that is gallery and camera. You can either choose an image from your gallery or you can take one right now. I'm going to take a new one just to show you how the method works. Now I've taken the image and I'm going to use this one. So now you can see you have an PNG of yourself, that is without any background. So you've already done 50% of the work. Now the second step is adjusting the background according to your preferences. You can change the background to whatever you want. There are variety of options here you can choose from. You can either choose the web option, that is, you can choose any backgrounds provided by Google, or you can search from the catalog presented in the app itself. You can see a little bit of my headphones in the camera. For that, what you need to do is click on eraser and zoom in to the, and you can erase the part, erase the part of the headphones itself. Now that I have done that, I'm going to click on edit. It will save the changes to the image, and now you can crop the image, add filters and adjust the image according to your preferences. You can add effects and stickers on the image and your final image is ready to be downloaded. Now the more easier way of using an online editor to remove or replace your backgrounds. What you need to do is go to your web browser and type background remover. That is gonna be a website in which you can upload an image and get that background replaced or removed. This is absolutely free and you can check it in your browser. Well, that wraps up our video on removing or replacing any background image from your Android device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.